What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You want to know how long an Apple Watch Series 5 lasts? Well, I've had my Apple Watch for a few weeks here, so it's been broken in, and I use it all the time. And the Apple Watch Series 5 here has the always-on display, so even when it is tilted away, it goes into that low power mode like it is right now. And if I bring it back, there it goes, comes back alive. And so I've always was curious, how long will the watch last? And I'm about to call it quits here tonight. It's 10:48 p.m. as you can see, and I get up at a normal time. By the time I throw on my watch and head out the door, it's probably about 7:30, 7:45 a.m. this morning, and I use it all day long. I look at my calendar and schedule and whatnot, and so this is a pretty good representation of what I think you should be able to expect if you are an Apple Watch user. So let's take a look at the battery life. And so there she is, 55%. And so that represents probably about 14, 15 hours of runtime. So could I not charge this tonight and wear it again tomorrow? My guess is it would probably get me kind of through midday tomorrow. So about a day and a half is probably what you'd expect on a full charge. But if you are going to take it off and charge it each night, I think you will find that you have plenty of power to spare, even if it ends up being a long one. So about half of the battery was used to kind of get me through the day without ever, babying it. Trying to be judicious, trying to stretch it. I work the hell out of this thing. So hopefully that answers your question. Peter Von Panda, out.